What up? I don't like it anymore. Boom, 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 boom. What up, sleeper? Good morning. Yo, yo, yo. I'll take a 3 spot if boom. I'm just setting everything up. It's another good day in the neighborhood. Dude, I'm telling you, man. It's on point. Yeah. I got everything set up. I think we continue lower. I think at some point we're gonna go lower. What up, Enrique? What up? What up? Stacking gains again. I'm just trying to figure out what I want to do here. I'm trying to think what I want to do with see what happens here. Well, we're getting that lower. We're definitely getting that lower. I wouldn't mind seeing a little bounce action. Little bounce, and then maybe we drop it like it's hot. I have a feeling as long as we hold below the 9, I'm fine with it. I might just take this off for a quick fucking scalp. Just like that. Just like that. What up, Joyce? I blew up a funded account on Apex on Tuesday night. Apex brought it back to life because of an issue with Rhythmic yesterday. Woo! Yo, Enrique. Yo, that's awesome. Dude, that's a good feeling, man. That's a real good feeling. I think if we get below 528, we might see a washout here, but I don't know if we're going to get it. I don't know if we're going to get it. Oh, come on. Just like stalling out in this area. So stupid I can't modify orders. Here we go. My stop is going to be up here if I get filled. I don't like it that much because we're so close to it just broke over. I'm out on that. I'm out. When it doesn't happen, you just can't force it. It is what it is. It is what it is. Just can't force it. Oh man, how are you guys doing today? You guys up, down, in anything? What's today? Say Thursday? Today's Thursday, right? Today is Thursday. All right, now we're starting to move here. All right, let's see what we got going on. Let's see what we can work with right now. You got a lower high right here. I just don't love the setup. This is like an eval setup, not a funded account setup. How to refresh. bought the Top Step 50, made 500 and locked out. Hey, sometimes, yo, what up, Baba? Yeah, it's better to be locked out sometimes, you know? I mean, this just isn't a setup that I like love. I've been more pickier on my trades. Um, and you could see the results. I'm just not taking a bunch of bullshit. But I do have my evals for bullshit trades. I just try to make sure you guys know that it's an eval trade and not a funded account trade. I am still oh man, I'm still in the ballpark of it's going lower, by the way. I think the overall uh I think the overall trend is lower. But it's not saying I can't scalp it to the upside here. Come on. Push it. Oh, fuck. You know what just happened? Oh, it was gross. That's why I told you it's just in a fucking. I think we're going lower. Then you're gonna bring it all the way back up like a big piece of shit. Yep. Awesome. Typical, typical, typical. Oh, man. Look at that. I just got fucking shaken out. I don't even know why I got shaken out. Honestly, we stayed above the 9. I think the only reason I got stopped out was I had this on and it predetermined the sell. Boom, 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 boom. Yo, what up, David? What up, what up? Just, dude, there were some baller ass setups today. I don't know if you guys saw it. This was a great setup. Oh, by the way, F1, I'll handle that. Oh no, I think I did already last night. But the break of 648, boom. I mean, this was a nice setup. Basically, you break the trend, you come back, you make a higher low, and then you push out of this. Same concept here. You make a higher low, you break over 591, and you go. I just think that the overall trend is still down. I still think the trend is down. Not only that, on the short side, this was amazing. We came down, you make a lower high, and then you broke under 67. I mean, like, honestly, like, it sounds so crazy, but like, I would be good just walking away from all these accounts today. Like 400, 200, 124, 171. Like, I don't need to make more in most of these accounts. Like, that's a pretty good day. I just enabled these. That's why they're at 0. On top of that, I got bull knocks up. I do need to down just a little bit there, but that's a 150. That's a 150K account. So $300 is like being down $120 over a year. Boom, 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 boom. Let's look for man, I'm still thinking short. I want to see a lower I want to see a lower high. I want to see us come down to like 600, maybe go back up to like 615 and then down. That would be the pattern that I would want to see. Come down 604, 615, 620, and then down. Let's see what happens here. Under 587, I am I gotta actually hold on. New Lobots. Yo, Kisan, yeah. We're shifting around here. Is this thing gonna connect? Um 120. Let me go to my chart. Let me go to my chart here. Go to 120. There we go. All right, I'm all set. I'm gonna copy trade these 3 on the next move. I just got to see what happens. I'm just waiting. I mean, there's no reason to rush in. All you need is a couple good trades a day. And we're up a lot already. It was crazy. This account was down 300. And I think this account was down 300. I got them both back. What up, Ray? Big money day? Big money day for you, Ray? Man. Boom. There you go. It's a solid. Now I'm running one micro loser. Oh, been there. Dude, now you know how someone's girlfriend feels. Oh, man. Nice little bull flag breaking out. Dude, that open was wild. Dude, that was a dump. That was literally 900. It was like 270 points. 270 points. To the downside? Damn. Yeah, take care of that account. That was a nice little flag. I'm not gonna lie. That was a nice little flag. I am I'm just learning, like, if the setup isn't there, you just don't freaking take it. You know, you just wait till the right setup is there. What up, Andy? Wow, we just made all this back. Look how wild this is. You're down 200 points and then back 200 points. Does one dare to short? I'll do one. I'll do one. Let's see if it comes back to like 57. This is not a good trade. This is like one of those trades that I always lose on. Yeah, well, that's why I like just did this. Like, oh, dude, the range today is so ridiculous that a lot of my indicators and things are like off. Like I'm looking at stuff and it's like, oh, you need to pull back 100 points. It's like, what? Oh, I didn't even realize we're right there. That looks pretty fucking good. I was gonna exit, but this looks like we might. I'll be honest with you, we might hit fucking 900. We break over here, I think we're going to 900. How crazy is that? Mr. Raplenko, your fucking bot is. Why is your bot like that? Dude, I just got a fucking delayed ass fill. I got the most delayed ass fill that there was. Why did that happen? Why did I get such a delayed fill on this? I hit the Replenko button. We were at 701 and it didn't fill me for 5 seconds and then filled me at the top. I almost just want to get out. I'm out with that. I feel like I've been cheated. I feel like I was just cheated on that, to be honest with you. Your take profit is at 21,000. I want to see a pullback. If Replenko didn't give me such a shit fill, fuck it. You can't see me! Yo, you like that shit? Dude. Oh. I don't need to fucking trade those accounts anymore. If I don't want to. Yo, you like that? A lot more where that came from. All my positions have been closing on their own. Really weird. Where at? Where at, Ray? Where are you closing at? I need to get this account green. I might just hold this. I just feel like we're just going to keep going up. This is an eval, guys, so don't fucking... I would never buy a funded account up here. You got to be... You'd have to be crazy to buy a funded account up here. But I'm just going to hold these two. I have two. I have two, and I'm just going to hold it. And I'll buy another one if we break over. Your lover is finally in profit. Free longs to 21,000. Absolutely staggering losses today. All funded accounts blown under 15 minutes. What? On micros? Bro, what'd you do? Who's your lover, Ray? Damn, design. What happened? Would you go long at open? Damn, went long at open with a gap and go that clearly got rejected. Bro, did you put I guess you had no stops? So where you I'm just curious, where are you gonna move to if you're done with Apex? I'm just wondering. I might just hold this 3 micros. Did you just copy trade like all the accounts? Were you copy trading? If so, I'm just curious, what do you use to copy trade? Are you using Replenko also? Stream, let's be honest. Do you think Patrick Weiland will get his Apex payouts? His RR is wild. Bro, he's going to get paid because it's him. What up, Oliver? Wow. Dude, nah, that's kind of like that's crazy that you were copied, that you were in each one individually. I'm curious if this flags above the 200, above VWAP, and then we continue up. Yo, what up, John? You Apex reset your PA account? Damn, you must have got like, you were like, yeah, boy. I know that feeling, man, when you fuck up and then something crazy happens and you're like, yo, I got it back, baby. I have done it, and when you lose it all, it hurts a lot because it's not the cost of the eval or setup fee. It's all your real money. Yeah, it's time. I'll be honest with you. It's the time. When I blow a bunch of accounts, it's not even the money. It's the time that I put into these accounts that are now all destroyed. That's what hurts me more than anything. Time to me is the shittiest part about blowing the accounts. Man, we're flagging here. I'll be honest with you. This this has the look of flagging for like a while and then just rip it. This has that look. What do I got? Let's see. See what I can do here. I don't want to buy at 28, but I will buy at like 09 or something maybe. Come on, come down. I'll just go right there. And my stop will be below VWAP. And if we pop a little bit, I'm out. Like I go up $100 and something, I'm probably out. Exactly. Oh, I was like, what I just lost an account, but it was this. Honestly, the truth, to trade your own real cash and be able to trade a few mini and even a bunch of micro should really be minimum 50K of your own cash. Yeah, I mean, the thing with your own money is you could make a lot of money, or you can definitely get smoked. Yeah, I mean, I was just wondering what it was. Watch them bring it down here. So this would be an awesome setup, actually. It would even be better if they brought it down here and then back up, consolidated and up. You'd want to see it come down, though. They call it like manipulation to the downside, and then it comes back up and then it breaks. I'm watching this. Yo, phone account sound. Bing, bing. Come on, I want it to come down. I'm just seeing if I could get a quick pop. There we go. What did I get off that? 55. I still think they bring it lower. Dude, risking your own capital is definitely is definitely more stressful. You know, I I would say once you're ready, once you're making like consistent profits, I would take the profit money and put it in your own account. Two hundred, 250. I found the firms to be more stressful. I mean, it definitely could be. I think it depends on how you look at it. Um, I'm, I don't know. I mean, I don't know. I don't really know. I would say if you're in real money, I feel like that to me is more stressful because I'm actually losing that money. I also take better trades when it's my own money. I'm not sitting here doing stupid stuff. I don't know why it only bought 3. I meant to do at least 5. Fuck. Well, whatever. I'll just take that. That sucked. I wanted 5 micros. Overnight holding is a dream. Yeah, I would say I've definitely done that quite often when it's on my own money. I feel like it's just different when it's your own cash. Yeah, yeah, nah, that's exactly what it could be. You could definitely flush your own money. Um, If it's going to move, I would assume we're going to move soon. 100. I'm just working this back. Just went from 350 down to 164 down. So I like this. Yo, what up, Trader fan? Yeah, I mean, I would wait till you're getting consistent payouts. But if you keep hitting the daily loss limit, I would say you should look at your trading more than anything. I know it's early in the day, but yo, another day, another dollar. I think that puts me up over 6K this week. Perdia, yeah, I don't know anything about them, Oliver, to be honest with you. Dude, this is looking naughty. This is looking like I might just take 3 and hold it. Come back down a little bit. Where am I freaking targeting? Dude, that can't be right. Shit's telling me 2173. I don't know about that. I think there's been a little fucking mishap here. Yeah. Yeah, man. Yo, Scott was super profitable. Scott made more money than anybody. Dude, I got a mat. I'm moving this mat that oh my God. Oh. I mean, I'm playing a third of the size. That's how comfortable I feel being up here. Do you think he'll get away with it? I mean, I don't know, man. I mean, the only thing that worries me here is you got a lower high. You got a lower high right here. Yeah, I have 5 of them. I'll be honest with you. Do I think he's going to get away with it? I do think he's going to get away with it. The reason I think he's going to get away with it is if they declared bankruptcy, nothing you could do about it. But you know, you got to see. Somebody has to go in there and see like the books. Like, was he just taking money out and just spending it on his cars, his watches, his house? You know, then there was fraud involved. You know, if you pull up his messages and, you know, he was conspiring to rug pull it, gonna call him Ty Lopez. I'm just here in my garage. You know, I think if somebody really went through with it, I think he was using company funds for stuff he shouldn't have been doing. Are they going to really hold this under 700 or what? I just don't know if they're going to get it, and that's where I'm at. Let's see if they push this shit down. I'm looking for under, big ass sweep. I mean, this is a third of his size. Like, that's how confident I am that I'm playing a third of his size. So if we do get under 88, 688, it's definitely interesting. Under 688, it gets interesting. You start getting in this gap. I think you roll. I think you roll big time. This is what I don't like right here. We're starting to peel back up. It's almost like they couldn't sell it down. Yeah, see? I just find that now I just reduce the size to a third of what I normally play when it's just kind of like, I mean, it is one big flag. I wonder if they're going to just break it out. I mean, that's what you got here. You need the next. This is going to sound crazy, but you need the next 15-minute candle to get over 733. Yeah, listen. Knob. I know how you feel because sometimes, you know, I'm even like that. Sometimes I'll be like, I don't know. What up, Sean? I might actually just take profits here we'll see if it pulls back and just kind of play this range. And if it goes without me, it goes without me. You know, just kind of play this range. I would like to get a better entry is my issue, but if it goes, it goes. That's nice, Sean. Yeah, Knob. I mean, it can get expensive really quick. really, really fast, it can get super expensive. Well, we're breaking this flag to the upside. Yeah. Come on, one more pullback to like 710. I just don't know if we're going to get it. We're not getting it. We're not getting it. We are not getting it. Goodbye, market. Deuces. Yo, what's the worst that could happen, Ray? Come on, pull back. Pull back. I mean, it was a nice little flag. Drop to 650. I don't know if we're getting that. I was just hoping to get back to like 715 maybe. $7.15-ish. Just feels like they're just gonna bring it back up. You have the bottom of the 5-minute orbit, 78. I'm still long to 21,000, but I would prefer to add more contracts. I mean, I would say you're looking pretty good. This is a great pattern. This is a really good pattern. Definitely found the bottom. I mean, we're cruising. This, I'll be honest with you, this reminds me that we're just going to grind up. There we go. That eval, its fate has been made. That's what I'm doing. If she dies, she dies. We'll see what happens. I feel like we're going to get a grind up because you got a nice flag here. We broke out. I think it's just going to make its way to 800. I don't even know how much money I need in this thing. What is it, 78? Probably return back to here. Dude, this is like textbook freaking, I feel pretty good. The only account I need to get up is this one account. This is the only account I need to get up right now. Right here is the bottom of the 5-minute orb. That's kind of why I took it off. Right here. Not saying we can't go back in. Just it's a line. The top is here. That's why I just took the trade off. You look. I'd love to see the 34 catch up, bounce off the 34, and then go to 800. Yo, what up, Reactor? What up? What up? What up? Smashing. Smashing, smashing. Dude, I think today's been awesome. Except for this one freaking account. I can't believe I got played right here, by the way. I got super played. I thought this was a flag, and I said it over and over. And I should have just said, hey, listen, as long as it holds the 34, I'm in. Super played. My regret of the day. That, and I should have taken this long over 645. Just, dude, you could always make it back. You are one trade away from making it all back. One trade makes it all back. He said there were free longs, and they were not indeed free. They cost me a lot. Bro, you should tell him. Be like, yo, I free longed. Are you going to give me my money back? Free longs. Lies. Yeah, man. Yo, he's going to come in here today. He'll be in here. One of his 5 accounts will be in here. Boom, 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 boom. I actually need to copy trade. Oh, man. Let me see if I can fix this. I got to get my flow bot in here. I'm going to need to copy trade. And if I go here, I just got to fucking flip contracts. I need to get a day under my belt with bull knocks for a bunch of long, short. I mean, shorts are long, bro. He was going crazy. I was like, just chill out, man. Uh, I just got a day of trading in all those Bullnox accounts, dude. If you follow him, you're an idiot. If you followed him and blew an account, you deserve it. You deserve it. Dude, it was literally every 2 seconds he was just saying something new. Bro, it's like, bro, what are you talking about? Well, this might be it. Back down to 35. Back down to 35 we go. Is this free shorts? Yo, what up, Lee? Who was saying, I don't want to say his actual screen name on here, but he was like, he always says free longs and free shorts, but they're not free. We don't know what he means. But the other day he was like free longs, and then the thing would drop, and he was like, no, free shorts, and then it would bounce back up, and then he was like free longs, and it was just like, bro, like just stop. I don't know if you're trading all this, but just stop. All right, that was a good scout. $90 scout. What are the odds it comes back down to 18 here? $18, maybe. Actually, $16.50. Just save myself a little bit of money there. Get like a 200 bounce. Yo, that's true. I forgot about that. Yo, I forgot about that. Yo, he was. Yo, so I don't know what he was doing. What was he doing? What was he doing, man? That's right. He wanted. Originally, he came on because he wanted me to give him an account and we would split the gains. That's originally what happened. Like, I'm talking weeks ago. He wanted a free account and for us to split the gains. I was like, bro, I'm good, man. You have no idea how many times I get hit up on Twitter, because Twitter, you can message me. Bro, on Twitter, I get destroyed with people just asking for free stuff. Constantly. Like, all day, every day, I get messages and message requests for free stuff. By the way, that's the Twitter. But yeah, all day. All day, every day. Yo, can I get a free account? Can you get me a free account? I'm like, I don't know what you want, man. Do you think that's actually a fucking shit? I'm out on that. I'm out. It's gonna drop. looks dead cattish. I fucking, dude, that was $130 loss. I don't even realize how big these candles are. Come on. Dude, he was just all over. There's a couple other guys you don't even know about that just are all over, constantly messaging. Where did my, oh, here it is. Did I get fucking, oh, man, these candles are huge. Yeah, I think they're going to push it back up. It's starting to curl. It wouldn't surprise me. I'll take that. Make back that dumbass loss. Dude, I hit the button. I was at 125 and I got out at 95. I think keep going. I'm just trying to limit my downside. I'm trying to take quick profits. And then once I get this number down to like in two something or one something, I can then take a real shot. Watch it just go. That is not a good camp. Nah, unless they're free. If they're free, you can trust them. I don't really trust this shit, to be honest. I mean, I do think that if I had to choose, gun to my head, what do I think? I think you're going to go back up. But it's not really the structure. It's not really the structure I want to play. The more I would love if it sucks that we're right above the 200 in VWAP, but if we would sell off and go under 720, you'd probably get really nice continuation. I just think that you'd bounce naturally with all the moving averages and VWAP line. The old chop city. Trying to think what I want to do for lunch. What do I want to do for lunch here? Oh, man. Crack my back. Stretch. What are stocks even doing? What's NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA is down on the day. NVIDIA is down on the day. That's interesting. Pan W. Damn, snow is up. Snow is up 31% today. This is risky as fuck, by the way. Super risky. I got the worst fucking fills. I just reduced my size. Oh, there we go. I'm out. Oh, I reduced my size. I think you might get a. I'm gonna go right here, and I'm gonna just hold this shit. I want to see if they. I want to see if they sell it all the way down. I'm at a third of a size position. I'm not going to make a lot of money or lose a lot of money. I just want to be. I want to be in it. I want to just be in it to win it. If I get stopped out, it'll be like a $50 loss. I just think if they drop it, I could probably get, 25 points on it. Like something like this. Look, see, now it's starting to add up. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Boom. Yep. What up, Dora? Good time to come in. Boom. See, this is what I was worried about, though, is, you know what's kind of fucked up? VWAP is at 696. Oh, that's messed up. Watch this. You guys want to see why I don't like Tradeovate? See this yellow line? Watch this big yellow line. Is it going to recalculate? Boom, it just recalculated. How fucked up is that? How fucked up is that? It recalculated. I thought VWAP was up here. Free shorts, Rosales. You're welcome. Yo, let's see if I have that. Where is that? I love that freaking. I love that meme. Oh, they got like 45 seconds of it, and I'll freaking get a copyright. Use legacy charts. How do I hit that? That was just a quick VWAP bounce, just to make back some of that. Before I mess this up, What's the difference? What's the difference on the legacy chart? Just wondering. I'm gonna look into it. I'm gonna look into it after hours. Now I know how to do it. I'll change them all over after hours. I just want to look in to see what the difference is before I do it all. That's so weird that it doesn't calculate correctly. It plays the music. Tape reading turtle soup loading 688. Oh, there's less features on the legacy chart. Interesting. This does not look great. Looks like we're gonna roll. Looks like everybody gets your roll on. Let me see where the fuck my chart is at. Geez, man. This better hold 691 or the market's gonna get taken to Pound Town. Dude, that was such a good trade, man. I wish I was in that with a mini. What about these scripts that I use? Any of the scripts in there or? I mean, this is the bottom. This 97 is like what needs to hold. Uh-oh, my boy's just texting me. Oh, man. I will say copy trading, when copy trading works, it's freaking magic. And when it doesn't, it is the worst thing possible. Like I copy traded these accounts today. Awesome. But if they all look like this, I would be freaking annoyed. They might just drop this freaking thing. See, I think they're going to unload it. I'm just... I'm kind of targeting like down here. Keep it going. I just think if they're going to do it, it's going to happen now, but it's risky as fuck because you're right above 700 and VWAP is here. So there's two reasons why you can get a bounce there. And that's why I sized way down. I would size high. I'm going to size into it if we get, see, I got stuffed out. If we get to 686, I'm liking it. Because then we're below VWAP, we're below 700. And then there's going to be much less support under here. I might take a 3 spot right here and then just, my stop is literally like, my stop's like super fucking tight. Like, yeah, my stop is so tight that I would, if I get stopped out, I think it's like $40, which is nothing. Pivot point's right there too. Yeah. Yeah. So pivot point is at 689. Well, thank you. I just got my fucking money. I just lost back. Yeah. Pivot point's at 689. So like once you go to like 687 and below, there's nothing there. It's just going to be a process to get down there. Definitely going to be a process. I mean, there's a lot to break through, and you know what? It could definitely just bounce and work itself back up. But that's my area. You know, 686, you got to get under. You know, it looks, I mean, this looks like head and shoulder-ish, kind of. Just got another account to trade. But, you know, I think this can turn bullish really fucking quick also. I think if you break over 728 to the upside, it's bullish. The reason being you got a higher low right here, higher low, and then you make, you know, a higher high. So I think you're in a spot that you really can't do all that much. You know, there, you could do something like that where, you know, if I get filled here to the upside, I'll probably put a stop here at, you know, 700 or something. I wanted the downside so much more than the upside, to be honest. $45. I hope me talking through the trades helps, like just the thought process and what I'm looking at. I'm not a huge fan of trading at lunch. The 12 o'clock to 1 o'clock becomes freaking iffy. Volume starts to fall off, and then you start getting, some indecisive chop candles. I got to go outside and fix something. It's pouring outside all day today. I'm not even going to look at this. Well, if I get stopped out, I fucking get stopped out. I don't give a shit. Come on. Dude, I got to go eat. I hate trading at lunch. This is the worst. There's just too much indecisiveness. I'll be back in 2 hours. I'll be back at 2 o'clock. All right. I got to go eat and I got to go fix something outside. All right. Peace.